and said, "Let's go, I'm not staying flat." He stomped to the market, tail so wide, knocking down fruit stands on every side. He visited school and sat in a chair, but it snapped in half. Oops, big rear. He tried ballet, a cookie store, then played hopscotch with a giant roar. At last he